How you guys doing? How you doing? Today's adventures is at, well, you can see, Screwogger Falls. Beg my pardon. But, yeah. We'll go see the falls and then we'll stovepipe your sister. There we go. Falls. There you go. Holy. It's like so majestic. Yeah. What's this all about? It's so majestic. I almost want to go sit in that water and bathe. It's so majestic. Yeah. Waterfalls. Yeah, like that kind. There she is. All majestic and whatnot. Probably gone for the something. I'm so paranoid right now, my knees are shaking. I don't like this kind of height, as you all know. But I need to get the shot, stop being a fucking sissy girl. But there she is, all majestic. That's the first one we're at. Stovepipe. Shits. Start from the bottom and work our way up. Look at that. But that water's so tasty. Coming from a glacier that's melted thousands of years and formed all this. Adventures in Maine, I'll tell you that. Crisp water, look at how white that is. Oxygenated again. Sediment, you see that bump right there? I bet you there's gold flakes in there somewhere. Oh, I'm going to be in somebody else's shot now. There's the waterfall majestic. Yeah, right there. Yeah. Getting a shot, boys. Only waterfall number one. Beg my pardon. Sorry for the destabilization of things right now at the moment. But just trying to get a good shot for you guys to come out. Too quickly and I failed to pull out. So no point intended, but beg my pardon for that outburst. But apparently we're filming through the sunroof. I think we wrong turned. How you doing? How you doing? Fucking trailing it. Holy. This is ever so steeply. Ever so steeply. Holy. That was pretty steep, I'm not gonna lie. That was way, way more than I expected. Came to first Babbling Brook. Here's a sign. I don't know if y'all can read it. Block out the sun there. So yeah, it's 0.6 miles that way. 0.7 miles that way. The Appalachian Trails to the junction is that way. So yeah, we could start the Appalachian Trail right here and end up wherever the fuck that ends up to. But yeah, wow, crazy. Yeah. Wow. Holy, we came way, way down. Majestic. Look at how majestic that is. And you get the glimmers from the sun. Oh, that's so majestic. Let's get a zoom in on this fall. Oh yeah. Let's listen to the sounds for a minute. Let's get over here. So majestic. Holy for friggin' my snacks. This is a back road. Okay? We're in the fucking back roads with wrong turns. I think. Just kidding. Pick up somebody. Somebody for how much is on? Hopefully they'll turn around and try to get our kidneys. Yeah, stay tuned. We got an episode with Dr. Allison Cross, the sex educationist from Vancouver. And we got our Eat Shit Die podcast. So yeah, stay tuned for that. That had to be a blast. But yeah, we're on our way to Angel Falls, and that is where? West Franklin, Maine?
West Central Franklin.
West Central Maine. Beg my pardon for that. But yeah, this is the back road to get there, I guess.
Venus Road.
Venus Road.
Venus.
So yeah, stay tuned for Angel Falls coming up next. Fucking Sam Squatch, just in case you see a Sam Squatch. Oh, Jesus.
I know you're driving further.
Jeez, that was rough. Holy. That road was forever. How you doing? How you doing? Now we're at Angel Falls, as I said in previous. And we got Mr. Blue Jay, me. You saw him? He's on a branch right there. Oh, he flew away to that one. Sant. Yeah, why don't you fuck right off, bird? You ruined my fucking movie. But, yeah. We're at Angel Falls. And I'm hoping that this isn't just the only Angel Falls. There's a sign there. Let's go see what that sign says and we'll still canopy. These trees are wonderful. This whole trail is wonderful. This whole trip has been wonderful. We're way up Maine right now. And we came to one of the trails that are, leaves are starting to change. There's the bed right over there. But holy, just the way the trees engulf the trail. It's awesome. Holy suffering. That's a fucking hill and a half, boys. And we still haven't even gone. Look at that. I'm gonna get up there and see these fucking Angel Falls. Alright. Angel Falls. Just a few moments later. Whew. Get the shot. I had to go to extremes to get to this shot. Let me tell you. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, Angel Falls. We are fucking here. We are fucking here. Look at this. Let's zoom in here. We're getting a shot. We're here, guys. This is northern Maine. The Angel Falls. We got here. We're here. Just listen to the sound. The sound of it's so peaceful. The sound of it is so peaceful. Almost surreal, like, wow. We're really here. Wow. What number is this? What number is this waterfall? Number 5 on the stop. So yeah, this might be the last stop, I don't know. Depends on how far the doctor wants to go. This trip has all been brought to you by her. It's beautiful, absolutely love it. Thanks for having me. Yes, sir. There we go. Yes, sir, indeed. Angel Falls, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, we're at the fall. Getting the shot. Angel Falls. So beautiful. Yeah, done walked into some wrong turn shit today. Holy. The hills have eyes, bud. Fucking hills have eyes. I don't even know where we are. Holy. Scary for myself right here. Look how pretty this shit is. And now we got the mountains. We're in the middle of nowhere, guys. This is beautiful. There we go, guys. That's what you call getting a shot. This is so beautiful. Of course, the AI is helping me here get the shot. So thanks a lot for that. And we are getting the shot. Look at that, eh? We are heading north. We're lords of the north.